I mean, I've got stuff that I've done 3 years ago that all of a sudden it pops up with some comment that somebody found, some
Oh,
video I
right.
did about something, and they're going, "Oh, I love this. I loved what you had to say about whatever." And I'm looking at it, and I go, "It was like 2.5 years ago."
Yeah.
So all I'm saying is that library just never goes away. It's always there. So
The library is so vital, and I just have really found with people, it just takes this like gear change in your head, this like light to go off, and you might think, okay, pain in the ass to film a video. I mean, I can essentially show most people how it's not really a pain in the ass, especially the way that YouTube is currently set up. And then you just have this library of content. So imagine you're a roofing contractor and you're talking to a homeowner and they say, I've had 5 quotes. Show me something I might not be aware about a roof. You pull out your phone, you go to your YouTube channel, and you show your guy, I keep talking about this, putting on chimney flashing properly.
right.
I mean, that idea alone. So you got, and then you have all these multifaceted things going on. You've got showing a customer your team knows how to flash a chimney properly. You've got that video sitting on YouTube showing anybody in the world your team knows how to put on chimney flashing properly. You've got the ability to actually sell chimney flashing components in the description of the video. There's 3 ways to make money off that video just right there.
Right. Exactly.
It's a recruiting tool for your business. I mean, there's so many reasons to actually go ahead and do it against the reasons not to do it, which I also comprehend totally. So,
Yep.
yeah.
Exactly.